In the world of investing, choosing the right platform can make all the difference in achieving your financial goals. In this comparison, we'll delve into two prominent investment platforms, InvestEngine and Vanguard. Both are reputable players in the UK market, offering a range of funds and investment options. Let's explore their features, fees, and offerings to help you make an informed decision. InvestEngine and Vanguard are two leading investment platforms in the UK, catering to investors with different needs and preferences. In this comprehensive comparison, we'll evaluate various aspects of both platforms to determine which one might be better suited for your investment strategy. When it comes to fees, InvestEngine stands out for its competitive pricing. It offers zero fees for DIY investments and manages portfolios at a modest 0.25% fee. On the other hand, Vanguard charges a 0.15% platform fee, making it slightly more expensive for investors. Additionally, Vanguard's managed ISA incurs a 0.60% fee, which includes management and platform fees. Both platforms offer stocks and shares ISAs and general investment accounts. However, Vanguard extends its product range to include self-invested personal pensions and junior ISAs, providing investors with more options. InvestEngine, though lacking SIPs and GSAs, offers a unique business account for corporate investors. InvestEngine boasts a vast selection of over 600 ETFs, including offerings from Vanguard. This extensive range gives investors flexibility and choice in building their portfolios. Vanguard, on the other hand, primarily offers its own funds, limiting the selection compared to InvestEngine. However, Vanguard's actively managed funds like Life Strategy and Target Retirement Funds are popular choices among investors. Both platforms offer environmental, social, and governance funds, but InvestEngine provides a broader range of over 100 ESG funds compared to Vanguard's 17. Investors keen on aligning their investments with their values might find InvestEngine's offering more appealing. While Vanguard's managed ISA service is relatively new, its individual funds have a track record of performance, providing investors with historical data for informed decision-making. InvestEngine's managed portfolios offer a diverse selection, albeit with limited performance history available. Neither platform offers an extensive array of research and tools. Both provide basic investment guides and introductory content, with InvestEngine focusing more on ETF investing, given its specialization. InvestEngine offers a user-friendly mobile app, allowing investors to track their portfolios and trade on the go. In contrast, Vanguard lacks a dedicated app, requiring investors to access their accounts through the website. Both InvestEngine and Vanguard are regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and offer financial services compensation scheme protection, ensuring investor funds are safeguarded. InvestEngine's strengths lie in its low-cost structure, diverse ETF selection, and user-friendly app. However, it's limited in product offerings and lacks performance history for some portfolios. On the other hand, Vanguard offers a range of actively managed funds and a broader product spectrum, but comes with slightly higher fees and fewer ETF choices. In conclusion, the choice between InvestEngine and Vanguard ultimately depends on your investment preferences and priorities. If cost-effectiveness, ETF variety, and a simple interface are paramount, InvestEngine may be the better option. Conversely, investors seeking a broader range of fund options and actively managed portfolios might lean towards Vanguard despite the slightly higher fees. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.